Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make Rainbow Gelatin Cakesicles. So colourful, so refreshing. Start with 2 tablespoons of strawberry gelatin powder and 100 millilitres of hot water. Mix it together and repeat the same with apple gelatin, blueberry and orange. Pop those each into a syringe and drip into a glass of iced water. The gelatin mixture will form little balls and fall to the bottom of the glass. Now strain the water out. Now spoon your bubble gelatin into a popsicle mould. Fill halfway, then add a popsicle stick. And fill to the top. Repeat with strawberry bubble gelatin. Then apple, then finally blueberry. Next, get some milk gelatin mixture and pour it over the bubbles, starting with orange. Let it seep through the gaps. Repeat with the strawberry milk gelatin. Then apple, and blueberry milk gelatin. There! Now just refrigerate for 1 hour. Once it's set, you can remove it from the popsicle mould. And there you have it! Rainbow Gelatin Cakesicles. Yum!